is called key performance indicator. In the short, we used to call KPI. Very good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about very important point of hotel management. So all the department on all the hotels or resort based on KPI they used to run. The KPI stand for key performance indicator. It's measurable value that shows how effectively a person or a team or an organization is achieving its key business objectives. Like we are used to track the progress towards the specific goal. It helps makes informed decisions, improve our performance by identifying areas that need attention. In which areas we need to put more attention, in which areas we need to more focus, it will indicate you. So it is very helpful if you are followed all the KPIs formulas in hotel industry or in your department or in your organization. So basically the features all in KPI are like specific things is there, like clear and focus on particular area. It based on some measurable things like quantifiable, so progress can be tracked. It based on some achievable, like it attainable within some available resource. KPI is based on some relevant, like aligns with some organization's goal. So these all things you have to follow for KPI: specific, measurable, achievable and relevant, which is more important for an organization. Also it's bound with some timing. It will decide the deadline or the time frame for a evaluation. How you are working as per decided time or not, it will tell you. Like example, if I am telling for any KPIs in hotel management, like how in a hotel KPIs work, what are the key points we are talking about we need to follow for a hotel, like occupancy rate. What is the percentage of available rooms occupied? What is the average daily rate we used to call ADR, average revenue per room? Customer satisfaction, what is guest feedback or the guest rating? Turnover rate, percentage of staff leaving. Which is more important? F&B cost, food cost, what is it? Tell what is the cost versus revenue from the F&B service. Complaint resolution timing, okay, how quickly you are handling the complaints, which is more important for KPI. So these are the points you have to follow. Now I will tell you why KPI are important for hotel management student. If you are doing hotel management, for you KPI is very much important. So before coming to the hotel, you must know these all the things. So it is very much important. It will help you to understanding how the hotel's operations are performing. Before coming only you will understand if you know what is the KPI. Okay, it prepares the student to set and meet targets. It will help you to enable data driving decisions making. It will help you to improve the efficiency, the customer satisfaction and the profitability. It will help you in leadership roles and strategic planning. So if you know these all are the things, so these all are the specific things you will came to know before coming to the hotel. So you must know the KPI being as a hotel management student. It will help you to understand the hotel growth, before coming. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more notification about this kind of learning videos. Thank you so much, guys.